Manufacturing is essential because everything that we interact with in our world and around us had to be manufactured by someone.
From the coffee maker that makes your coffee in the morning to the car you get in and drive to the store, and
to, the computers that you use every single day.
It affects everything we do every day.
Manufacturing, the challenges are immense and they continue to change at a very rapid pace.
Gosh, 2020 just threw so many curveballs at manufacturing.
As the generations kind of change over, you've got younger decision makers that are coming up that are buying these products. Manufacturers have to figure out how to get in front of those individuals.
So the role that we play in this last year and a half has been crucial to helping manufacturers get found and connect those dots that have been broken because of the supply chain issues.
Really, at the end of the day, like the passion of the people is what TopSpot actually is. We love this space. We geek out on it. They're thrilled because now they actually have someone that can hear them, that can talk their language and actually become a partner that they need.
TopSpot's goal is to position our clients in front of what we call in-market buyers at the precise moment they realize the need to go to Google or Bing and query to solve a problem.
What we saw was we can differentiate these companies on Google with very little budget because we understand their business.
People search using specific applications or specific materials that they might need.
And we've distilled it down to an acronym that we call the BSmart Methods. And so when we work with our clients, we put together content strategies and keyword strategies to leverage that knowledge that we have acquired over many years in working with manufacturers.
There's not many industrial marketing companies with 18 years experience. And then, a lot of our sales reps, a lot of the original founders of TopSpot dates back much further than that, 20, 30 plus years of experience. So the knowledge is exponential.
I remember one time we were working with a investment casting foundry and we were listening to some of their phone calls and Raytheon called them to ask if they were ITAR certified, which is a military and defense certification. We were able to actually respond and get the badging from the ITAR certification, place it prominently on their website, develop a page of content around military and defense contract work, and then actually add and expand some of the keywords and ad placements that we're doing for them. Simply taking an insight like that and responding to it because of the technology that we have and how closely we work with them, we're able to actually start driving leads that were in a more valuable growth area for them that they had not traditionally been as successful in.
And so when I think what Manufacturing Day means to me is it's a day to spotlight a very important backbone of our country and global economy for that matter too. And it's an opportunity to educate.
What's most exciting about the future of manufacturing is that creators and those that are putting together the world around us are embracing technology. They've got more agility.
Manufacturing, the American innovation, that spirit that we have will continue to lead the world. And TopSpot plans on being right there with them.
Come alongside them, help them reinvent themselves, make a new brand, reach new customers, make pivots, and grow their businesses so that they're here for the next 50 years. That's the kind of work that we're doing here at TopSpot.